In this video, I'll demonstrate a simple way to create raised letters and designs on the surface of concrete. Many people are familiar with carving letters into stone, but concrete offers a different opportunity. Instead of carving after the concrete hardens, we can create the lettering directly during the casting process. For this example, I'm making a decorative garden sign. I happen to have a piece of packaging foam with an arrow-shaped recess, which turned out to be a perfect mold. The foam leaves a nice pattern on the concrete surface, and because the recess is about 2 inches deep, the finished sign will be thick and strong enough for long-term outdoor use. The concrete mix is made from Portland cement and fine sand at a ratio of 1 part cement to 3 parts sand. Fine sand is important when creating detailed features such as letters. I also added several pieces of steel wire to reinforce the sign. The word garden will appear above the arrow in a gentle curve. Rather than attempting to carve the letters after the concrete hardens, I decided to use a different approach. I designed and 3D printed the 6 letters, then glued them to the foam mold with the letter faces reversed. A light coat of cooking oil serves as a release agent. The printed letters are less than 1/4 inch thick. During the pour, I carefully worked the concrete around the letters with a small brush and stick to eliminate air pockets and capture the details. This sign has already been cast and cured. The purpose of this video is not to show the concrete pouring or the 3D printing process. Instead, I want to answer a simple question. Can embedded 3D printed letters be removed cleanly from hardened concrete without damaging the surrounding surface? To give the concrete sufficient strength, I waited 2 weeks before attempting removal. For the test, I'm using a heat gun, although a hair dryer should also work, along with a small flat screwdriver. Let's start with the first letter, the letter G. After a few seconds of heating, the plastic begins to soften. I insert the screwdriver and try to pull the letter straight out, but it doesn't move. The sides are still locked tightly against the concrete. So I continue heating and begin working from the edge. As the plastic softens further, the bond starts to break. Little by little, I lift the edge, allowing more hot air to reach the sides and bottom of the letter. Soon, about half of the letter is exposed. After a little more heating and careful prying, the entire letter comes free. Success. The remaining letters are removed using the same method. In less than 10 minutes, all 6 letters are out, and the surrounding concrete remains intact without any noticeable damage. The result is a clean and attractive recessed lettering effect that would be difficult to achieve by carving. This experiment shows that 3D printing can be a fast, inexpensive, and highly effective way to create custom molds and detailed features for concrete projects. Thanks for watching.